After dealing with jerks and womanizers, Typhoid Rosie is ready to banish them all unless they're willing to step up and respect women like the empresses that they are. 90% of the songs that dudes write that we thought were love songs are really about sliding a girl's panties off. Rosie Rebel, lead singer of Brooklyn-based punk band Typhoid Rosie, tells HollywoodLife about their new song. Maybe it's time we mix SHT up. Enter All I Need, the latest track from the band's upcoming album, Queen of Swords, out on August 13th. On the new single, Typhoid Rosie flips the middle finger to the patriarchy and the gross notion that women are mere sex objects for men's lizard brain desires. The group, singer Rosie Rebel, drummer Phil Wartell, guitarists Jeff Cruz and Will Adams, and bassist Matthew Van Ernest, veers towards the pop side of the punk spectrum with the song. But, they don't lose a single ounce of attitude on All I Need, delivering an anthem for every exhausted woman constantly beleaguered by a effed boy. I just think instead of treating women like something you shoot up and hang on your wall like a disposable trophy, maybe sit the FCA down, and think about how beautiful it is to explore the sexual wonders of a female goddess, adds Rosie. So trickle in, and let's separate the men from the boys. What is the point of keeping people around who want the keys to the kingdom but can't man? What are they really adding to your life? This song is for all those special losers who must be banished because, quite frankly, this is the Queen of Swords record. You really do need to earn your rightful place inside these castle walls. If I were still roaming the streets, I'd pick a good man who moves mountains to love me. Not some bread-crumbing loser. There are so many people out there who will waste your time, says Rosie. There are some good guys out there but also murderers, narcissists, womanizers, thieves, shallow and fair-weather FCKS, energy vampires, creeps, liars, dirtbags, dummies, skanks, power-hungry villains, and greedy mother F-seekers. Knowing what I know now about myself and others, I realize what a magical person I am, and it is so important for me to guard that like a holy treasure. Rosie acknowledges it'll be a while before these kinds of men are no more. I can't wait until all of the Jeffrey Epsteins walking the earth are thrown into the lake of fire. So the ultimate message of All I Need is that women need to guard your temple and to know you are beautiful and worthy enough for a loving relationship. Love is all or nothing, so if you ever experience emotional poverty, tell that loser to keep it moving cause you're the mother effing empress. The themes of All I Need are also found on the two prior releases from Queen of Swords, Defend Your Temple, the high-voltage, energetic feminist call to arms, and the title track, Queen of Swords, about overcoming those dark moments to cut the toxic people out of your life. For the new generation of punks who are getting their first taste of the genre through the likes of Olivia Rodrigo and Willow Smith, Typhoid Rosie is the perfect follow-up. With catchy hooks and razor-sharp lyrics, Typhoid Rose is sure to give the young women out there all they need to make it in this world.